Angoorestan-e Malek is one of the historic, cultural, and artistic landmarks of Isfahan, built during the Qajar-era. Today it is considered one of the most beautiful traditional spaces in the city. The complex was constructed in 1897 AD by the order of Haj Muhammad Ibrahim Malek, a well-known philanthropist and merchant of Isfahan who dedicated it to charitable activities, religious ceremonies, and serving the community. The architecture of Angoorestan-e Malek represents a delightful blend of Qajar-era aesthetics and traditional Iranian design. At the heart of the complex lies a serene and lush courtyard named Angoorestan, due to the grapevines that once stretched across it. Throughout the entire building, one can observe exquisite stucco work, mirrorwork, and tilework, while the columns feature detailed decorations from base to top. The summer Shahneshin, main hall, located at the center of the garden, is one of the most impressive parts of the complex. This hall is adorned with magnificent Orosi windows, traditional wooden windows decorated with geometric woodwork and colorful stained glass. These windows create soft, colorful lighting, provide privacy, regulate airflow, and are designed to open vertically. The colored glass also naturally repels insects. Inside the main hall, two symmetrical upper rooms known as balagushvara are placed on both sides, adding to the elegance of the interior. The hall was furnished with various tables and chairs designated for high-ranking guests, as well as ordinary visitors. These furnishings are French-made, and the grand chandeliers are of Italian origin, decorated with the emblem of the lion and sun, a symbol of Iran. The summer hall was traditionally divided into two sections using wooden partitions, allowing separate reception areas for different groups of people. As a part of etiquette, the servants passing through these partitions were reminded to bow respectfully to the guests. Winter Shahneshin, known as the Aramgah, Winter Reception Hall. The Winter Shahneshin of Angoorestan-e Malek is located on the northern side of the building and is designed as a traditional five-door room, panch dari. This orientation was intentionally chosen based on the architectural principles of Isfahan, a desert region with cold winters, where north-facing rooms receive excellent winter sunlight, providing warmth and natural illumination throughout the colder months. The exquisite decorations of this space, including delicate mirrorwork, detailed stucco carvings, Qajar-style wall paintings, and wooden Orosi windows, indicate that this room was not only used for winter living, but also served as an elegant space for receiving distinguished guests of Malek al-Tujjar. The title Aramgah, meaning place of tranquility, reflects the quiet, serene, and graceful atmosphere of the room, rather than implying a burial site. The five-door design allows light to enter from multiple angles, and when combined with the mirrorwork, it creates captivating reflections that brighten the room even on the coldest winter days. This makes the winter Shahneshin a warm, pleasant, and prestigious area ideal for formal gatherings, hosting esteemed visitors, and comfortable daily use. The inner back room, known as the Hozkhaneh, pool room. This room was built by the order of Malek al-Tojar for hosting important guests who were not close acquaintances of the family. With notable foresight, he intended to create a separate and distinguished space to receive such visitors, ensuring that while they were treated with respect, the privacy of the family would remain protected by keeping unfamiliar guests away from the main living areas. basement. The final section in the floor plan of Angoorestan-e Malek is the basement. As you may know, in the past, unlike today, refrigerators did not exist. For this reason, basements were constructed with great care, engineering, and craftsmanship. These underground spaces had excellent air circulation, and cool air would enter the area through special wall tunnels designed for ventilation. This made the basement an ideal place for storing food and fruits, keeping them fresh and preventing spoilage without the need for refrigeration.